Very closely related to imaginary numbers are complex numbers. A complex number has a real part and an imaginary part. So the standard form for a complex number is a plus bi. And this is where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. So that's really the form that they want us to write number 5 and 6 in. So for 5, this is going to be 7 plus, and then the square root of -4 is 2i. So this would be my final answer, and we have 7 is a and 2 is b. So 7 is the number off by itself, 2 is the number being multiplied by I. The number off by itself is a, the number being multiplied by I is b. So you don't have to label them as a and b, but you do need to know that that is the a and that's the b. So for number 6, this is going to be 9 minus, and then square root of -81 is 9i. So it's okay that this is a subtraction sign. That still counts within this form. But again, this is your a and this is your b, and it does need to be in that order. So we can't write this as like -9i plus 9. The I needs to be the second term just because that's the format that they want.